remember just coming down the first day and just freaking out.
This place was just hands down going. I've never seen so many perfect waves just reeling off.
June 20th, 2006 will be a day the surf world will never forget. Now into their second search, the top 45 could have never expected the 4 days that the Mexican right-hander, known only as La Jolla, was about to serve up.
It was just barreling the whole way, and I was just like, oh, I'm losing my mind.
Those 4 days became a blur of groundbreaking performances. From Taj's 70-meter barrel to AI's go for broke straight air to PANCHO's mind and back bending hack, history was in the making.
Waves just unbelievable. It's bound to be one of those waves that everyone talks about. We're basically comparing snapper to this now, not the other way around. This wave's better in my book.
As the swell continued to defy logic and grow better and more perfect by the hour, the world begged to know where La Jolla was, but we weren't telling. Some people actually began to wonder if what they were watching was even real at all. When it was all said and done, one thing was for sure. The Rip Curl Pro Search and the secret Mexican point break had delivered to the world a contest we'd never forget.
I feel blessed to be on tour this year and a part of this event because to me it feels like it's just going to go down in pro surfing history.
They searched, they found, it's over.